Hello besties, welcome back to another video from the Salia. In this video we're going to be making this dress, and here's how it is. So I started by taking in my darts. Yes, I took in my darts for both sides in the front part. Then I went ahead to taking my waist darts, that's from my bust to my waist. I went ahead to taking the darts both for the front side and for the back side. Then I went in by 2 inches on both sides and just take that in. So I have a allowance of 2 inches on both sides. I'm just going to keep measuring that. If you haven't watched the other video where I cut this dress, then please make sure you go watch it so you can understand why I'm changing the dress look. Yes, the dress was originally a flare gown, and I want something that is fitted on my body, because the flare gown was making me look so shapeless for someone that is petite. So I have to do something that at least make me look gorgeous. I'm just going to repeat what I did for this side to the other side as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold in the hem side, that's the down part of the dress. I'm just going to fold it in like so. I like to sew on the outside of the dress, not on the inside, once if it's a flare, so it's going to give me this balanced effect. I don't know, like a smooth effect. If you also like trying this, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be fixing my sleeve right now. So I did not alter anything in regards to the sleeve. I decided to still go in with that sleeve because I like the big effects it's giving me. Although maybe I would end up still having to put an elastic band in the hem of the sleeve. I don't know yet, but I still like the way the sleeve is for now, so I'm just going to be using my sleeve like that. I'm also fixing the second sleeve. And I went ahead to fix in my zip. I added zip at the back. I went ahead to fix it off camera. Here is the look on the floor. Yeah, here is it. I had to lay it down on the floor, and here is it after wearing it. Man, look at how chic it is looking. If you made it far to this point in the video, I'm really grateful. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.